Welcome to our crash course on English-Spanish vocabulary for car accident interpreters. In this video, we'll provide you with essential phrases to help you effectively communicate in car accident scenarios. Shall we begin?
Let's start with some basic vocabulary.
Accident translates to accidente,
Car is.
coche o automóvil,
Driver is.
conductor,
And passenger is.
pasajero o pasajera.
Now let's move on to common phrases. When responding to a car accident, it's important to ask if anyone is injured. In Spanish, you would say,
¿Hay heridos?
which means, are there any injured? If the answer is yes, you can ask,
¿Necesita una ambulancia?
meaning, do you need an ambulance? To gather information about the accident, ask the drivers,
¿Qué sucedió?
or what happened. When documenting the scene, ask for the license plate by saying,
¿Cuál es la matrícula?
which means, what is the license plate? Also, don't forget to obtain insurance and contact information from all parties involved. Ask,
¿Tiene seguro?
meaning, do you have insurance? And to request contact details, simply say,
¿Me puede dar su información de contacto?
can you give me your contact information? It's also crucial to know how to offer assistance. To show empathy, say,
Lo siento mucho.
meaning, I am very sorry. And to reassure someone, say,
Todo va a estar bien.
which means everything will be fine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.